Hey there, this is Christy Ashcraft with Christy's Leads, a small business in Abington. And I came across your company and I thought I'd shoot this screencast video showing you how things work online and how your company is doing. If at the end of the video you'd like to learn anything more about Christy's Leads, please reach out via phone, email, or text. And if not, no harm, no foul. I'm going to talk about keywords, content, citations, and backlinks in the video. And I'm going to start on your web page, the front page, and talk about keywords and content. So you have some really good call to actions here, which is great, helps your customers or clients find information easily. You have your phone number, your email, get a quote. Those are all really important. You use some nice images. Even the way you're saving these images counts as content, so make sure they're saved as highly searched keywords. Maybe something like roofers, Philadelphia. And Google likes to see about 1,500 words of content on the front page. So adding more content will definitely help Google make you more relatable and understand what it is you're trying to service and where. Within those 1,500 words of content, I put about 10 to 12 highly searched keywords. Those are important because you want to figure out how people are searching and then appear first for those searches on Google, and those words have to be in your content. So the next thing I'm going to talk about are citations and the map pack. I just did a Google search for roofers in Philadelphia, PA. I could have done roofing companies, roofers, Philly. There are lots of different ways that people search for the same things on Google, as I'm sure you're aware. One way to optimize your website is, again, to figure out what's being searched, how it's being searched the most, and to have those words in your content in the right place, and then to appear first in Google for those search terms. So here you have your Google guaranteed ads, which are good ads, and then you have your regular traditional ads, and then you have your map pack here, and this is what I want to talk about. This is really high visibility. It takes up 5 lines on Google, and your phone number is a click to call on a mobile phone, and your website is just a click to. So it's really a good place to be, the map pack. So in order to get in the map pack, you go through a small process to apply to make sure your business is real. Google approves you, and then you have to start increasing your citations. A citation is just your business name, address, and phone number appearing in online directories like Yelp, Angie's, City Search, Yellow Pages. Then Google starts to trust your business more, and you'll slowly rank up in the map pack, which is where you want to be on the first page. Statistically speaking, if you are the first business in the map pack and the first business underneath the map pack, which is this spot, you get about 70 to 80% of the traffic that comes to this page, which is a decent amount. In order to get to this top spot organically, you want to have strong backlinks and strong referring domains. A backlink is just another website that links back to yours. It could be a blog about roofing, and someone mentions your website, that's the backlink, and the blog is the referring domain. So here is a tool I use called Ahrefs, and this is your website. So this is your power rating and your trust. These spin all the way to 100. These are your backlinks and your domains. The quality of the domains matter here for sure. The higher quality, the more power your website gets. It looks like you're being found for one keyword but not generating much traffic. This could be off by a little bit. Just want to show you that competitor. This company was first to be organically on the first page, and their backlinks, their domains, and their keywords and the traffic they're getting. And I want to show you their keywords, which you would want keywords to be placed on your website and to be ranking in the top 3 spots for them. Okay, so roofers, Philadelphia, it's a great keyword. Look at all that search volume. So you're getting 600 searches a month, and the difficulty is 11. This goes all the way up to 100, so it's really not that difficult for all that search volume. So you'd want that word to be in your content. It also tells you what spot the company's at, and they're in position 3. Roofing, Philadelphia, 450 searches a month. Roofing contractors, Philadelphia, 350. Philadelphia roofing, 350. All these words, if they're in your content, and then you put some backlinks behind them, you start to rank for them. So that's why this company is getting a tremendous amount of traffic, because they have really high buyer intent keywords all throughout their website, and they're ranking pretty consistently for all of them. Not number one though, except for Philly Roofing, but definitely high for the others. So they probably have enough that they're ranking for. So I just want to give you an idea. And of course, if you wanted to service other areas like Montgomery County, Bucks, and Chester, it would probably just be roofing in Bucks County with similar search volumes. So I hope this gave you some insight. If you're interested in learning more, please reach out. I'd love to have a brief 10-minute conversation, to see if we're a good fit. My door is always open. I do work within budgets. And, I'm a small business myself, so like working with small businesses. And if not, if the timing's not right, I understand. Thanks so much for watching and have an awesome day.